What was the parents' response or reaction? What was the teacher's response or reaction? And what happened during the months which you did? So all yours.
Before years, without these books, it was we used to design the curriculum by going through the Google and whatever the Mehak gives us the pointers. So we used to research and we will give it away to the children. We will explain and make projects or explain. So, but after the books have come, it became so easy for us. So, and it is very interactive, and the children are loving those books.
We're so happy that we're following your books, you know. So when I started off, I was really worried. When we thought we'd start off financial literacy, last year also we have done a bit, but we need to go to Google, search everything. Now your book covers up everything. So happy with that.
And doing it, we have done the project already once. Under this financial literacy, we've been doing it for the last 2 years. She has already done it, but since you have given me the curriculum step by step, so life has become really easy for us. However, I'm very, very aware that nobody teaches children about the money, right? And then right from the childhood, if you teach them, they'll become more aware and more conscious about whatever we're doing.
Children are enjoying because of the colorful and interactive way we are teaching. So that I have liked it. And it is also step by step. What we have to teach first, then what is the next topic. So every time we used to struggle. So what have to teach first, then what? The order we used to get struggled. But now this is for grade 1, this is the syllabus, and grade 2, this is the syllabus. So we are also worried where to stop, how much to teach. Right. So those you have given us a clear clarity. So those things I am liking it.
And even children love to come to the class. They ask me when, because I do technology and financial literacy parallel, so they ask me when are we going to do financial literacy, when we do the computer sessions. So it feels good when they ask for it.
And one more thing that we keep doing, Miss Sarmishta keeps doing, because she has to work on mathematical skills, so we do work on number sense and all. So this currency notes, they are also part of our number sense. So one of the days when children were asked that give me the what पैसा वापस करो, 10 रुपए का चेंज दो, तो उसने बोला अच्छा फाड़ के दूं क्या? So we come across such things. So she keeps doing that, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 rupees. So 5 का note and 10 rupee कैसे बनता है? So those things also as number sense, if they are added in the book, it'll be great, ma'am.
Right. And even parents, they have few questions like, can you introduce the topic of interest? So when they're earning something and they keep it to themselves, can they get to know that they will earn something when you're saving that totally? One of the parents have asked me this, and I saw that it is already covered as a part of your book in grade 2.
Yeah, we have done a campaign of piggy banks. So like I tell you, financial literacy was never a new subject. Even before NEP, I was very much into it, because these are, it comes automatically to any educator that what exactly the children have to learn in life. So that was like very natural to us, very effortless. But then we did a couple of projects like piggy bank. So she was like super successful in piggy banking. The children loved it, huh?
Yes.
So there was one parent who is out and out in trading and all, like forex trading and the commodity trading and all. So we called those parents, both husband and wife came. And they were so amazed to see how children were literate and articulating themselves about money. They were saying, way to go,
Yeah,
so this is a good feedback for you.
Yeah, they prepared a list of things what they wanted to explain to the children, whereas our children already know all those things.
Yeah.